Hello everyone, welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain you 8th standard English lesson. The lesson name is The Swan and the Princess. It is a folk play. Play means in Kannada we can say a short drama, means Janapada Kate. And in this the theme of the lesson is quality of mercy. We can see the quality of mercy in this lesson. And this is a very short lesson. So main characters of this lesson are, first is Shuddhodana, who is the king of Kapilavastu, and Siddhartha, the prince of Kapilavastu, and Devadatta, Siddhartha's cousin, the chief minister, and 4 other ministers of the king are there, and the guard. So these are the main characters in this lesson. Let me start the lesson. Who wants a bird or an animal? The one who catches it or the one who looks after it? So here is a question. Starting only they have put a question for you. Who owns the bird or an animal? Who catches it or who looks after it? To understand this, read the following play which deals with an incident in the life of Siddhartha. To come to know who owns the bird or animal, we must go through this lesson. So it is a play. Play means like a drama we can say. So here one by one the conversation is going on between all these characters in this lesson. First the court is there. Court means in Kannada we can say Asthana. So king is sitting and ministers also sitting in the front of king. And King Shuddhodana is sitting in his throne means Simhasana. His ministers are sitting on him. The chief minister is saying something to him. Just then, the guard enters and bows to the king. Bows means bending and showing respect for the king. So, what is the scene here? First scene is the king is sitting along with his ministers, and some ministers or chief minister is saying something to king. Within that time what happened? Guard will enter the court and he will bow for the king. Guard: long live the king, sir, Prince Devadatta wants to come in. So he is asking permission of the king that Prince Devadatta wants come in. King: bring him in. The guard bows and goes out. Again the guard will bow for the king, bow to king, and he will go out to bring Devadatta. Chief minister: I wonder why Prince Devadatta wants to see the king at this time. So now chief minister is talking. So he was wonder why Devadatta wants to meet king. Second minister. So totally chief minister and 4 other ministers are there. So chief minister and one of the minister is talking now. Second minister will say, perhaps he wants to complain against someone. So he will say, suppose he may be want to complain for someone. The guard enters with bow to the. Within that time, guard will come back inside the court along with Devadatta, and guard and Devadatta both will bow and show their respect towards the king. Now king: what is it, Devadatta? Why have you come to me at this time? So king is asking in this time. Devadatta: sir, the prince will not give me my swan. I want just from you. So who is the prince here? Prince is Siddhartha. So he is complaining the king that the prince is not giving his swan to him. So he came near the king in seek of justice. King smiling: be calm, Devadatta. Has Siddhartha taken your swan from you? So king is asking, be calm, Devadatta. Really the Siddhartha has taken a swan from you? He is asking. Devadatta: yes sir, he has. I shot it and it fell on the ground near the prince. So he is explaining what happened. So when he shot the swan, it has fell on the ground near the prince where Siddhartha was standing. He picked it up and said he would not give it to me. So as soon as the swan will fell down, the Siddhartha will pick it and he will say for Devadatta he is not going to return it. King, that's very naughty of Siddhartha. So king will think he is doing some mischievous thing, and to the guard the king will advise, go and call him. The guard goes and goes out. King is saying to guard to go and call and come Siddhartha now. Again the guard will go out to bring Siddhartha. Now third minister is speaking softly to the fourth minister. Third and fourth ministers are talking here. The prince is a good lad. Lad means a boy or a young man. He cannot do a thing that is wrong. So they are talking. Fourth minister, I agree with you. So third, fourth, second, third and fourth ministers, three of them are talking about Siddhartha. He is a boy and he cannot do the mistakes like this. Within that time, entered Prince Siddhartha, who has a white swan in his arms. So Siddhartha will come within that time along with the guard. In his hand, what was there? White swan was there. Siddhartha bows to the king. As soon as he will enter, he will also bow to the king and he will stand. Now king is going to ask Siddhartha, Devadatta says that you have taken his swan. Is that the swan which you took from him? So king is asking for Siddhartha. Devadatta came here and complained that you have taken his swan. So is that same swan what you are having in your arm? King is questioning Siddhartha. Siddhartha, Your Highness, Devadatta has complained about this swan, but it is not his swan, it is mine. So Siddhartha is explaining to Highness means here king. So some of the respectful words for the king they are using Highness. So Your Highness, Devadatta has complained about this swan, but it is not his swan, it is mine. So Siddhartha is arguing that he may be complained about this swan, same swan, but it is not his, it belongs to me. Devadatta, no, Your Highness, it is not his, it is mine. I shot it with an arrow. Siddhartha is telling a lie. So Devadatta will stand, is not going to stand quietly now. He will argue again now. No, Your Highness, it is not his. His means here Siddhartha's. It is mine. Why? Why he is saying it is his? I shot it with an arrow. Siddhartha is telling a lie. King, be calm, Devadatta. You say that the swan is yours because you shot it. Is that right? So king is making both boys to be calm, and he is questioning Devadatta. You are saying the swan is belonging to you. Why? You have shot it. So is that right? Devadatta, yes sir, that's quite right. So Devadatta will reply, yes, that is right. King, what do you say, Siddhartha? Why do you say that the swan is yours? So now king is questioning Siddhartha. Why do you say that swan is yours? When Devadatta has been shot it, why you are saying that swan is yours? Siddhartha is giving answer to king now. Your Majesty, Devadatta shot this swan, but I saved its life. That's why it's mine. Maybe Devadatta shot the swan, but I have saved its life. It means here swan's life. So it belongs to me. Who is saying this? Siddhartha is explaining to the king now. Ministers, all ministers will shout, here, here. And king will say, listen Siddhartha, a Kshatriya cannot give up what he has shot. Do you agree with me? So one of the principle of the Kshatriyas is there, what they will shoot it belongs to them. So same that the king is remembering for Siddhartha that. Siddhartha, yes I do sir, but a Kshatriya cannot give up a supplement either. This swan came to me for protection. I cannot give it up. So another also is there, another view is also is there about the Kshatriyas who will come in seek of protection. They will give shelter or protection for them. So that also Siddhartha will explain for the king. So because of that I gave protection for the swan, so it belonged to me. Devadatta, Your Highness, this is injustice. I shot the swan, so it's mine. Again Devadatta will argue, no, this is injustice. What Siddhartha is saying is injustice. Why? I shot the swan, so it belonged to me. King, well boys, I am puzzled. Now listening for the both boys, king will become some puzzled. Puzzled means confused. It's a strange case. I don't know how to decide it. To the chief minister, can you help me? Now king is puzzled, means he will become confused and he cannot solve this. He was not able to solve this case and he will seek the help of chief minister to help him in solving of the case. Chief minister, I will try, your highness. So chief minister will agree to help the king in solving of the case. King, very well then. Please go ahead. So the king will give, say the chief minister to solve the case now. Chief minister, now he will suggest for the Prince Siddhartha and Prince Devadatta, please listen to me. Prince Devadatta says that the swan is his because he had shot it. The Prince Siddhartha says that it is his because he saved his life. Am I right? Again the same question the chief minister is asking for both princes. Siddhartha and Devadatta, yes, you are right. So both will give the answer, yes. Yes sir, you are right. Chief minister, good. Now Prince Siddhartha, please put the swan on the stool. He will put in front of king and he will suggest Prince Siddhartha to keep or to put the swan on the stool. Siddhartha puts the swan on the stool and goes back to his place. The swan is frightened and keeps looking at. So as said by chief minister, same the Siddhartha will do. He will keep the swan he brought along with him on the stool and he will go back and he will stand in his place. How was the swan feeling? It was frightened and it was looking towards Siddhartha. Now chief minister, Prince Devadatta, please come forward and ask the swan to come to you. Now chief minister is suggesting Devadatta, please you come forward and call swan towards you. Devadatta, coming forward, come to me. Come. Swan cries with fear. By seeing Devadatta, when he calls the swan, what the swan do? It started and cries with fear. Fear means why it is fear by seeing the Devadatta? Why means he has shot it, isn't it? Because of that. So it started trembling and start crying with fear. Chief minister, that will do, Prince Devadatta. Now it's your turn. You call the swan. Prince Siddhartha, Devadatta goes back and Siddhartha goes forward. So now Devadatta goes back to his place and Siddhartha will come forward to call the swan. Siddhartha, going near the swan, dear, don't be afraid. I have come to you. Come and sit on my arms. So now Siddhartha will come forward and the swan. How will call? Dear swan, don't be afraid. I will come to you. Come and sit on my arms. The swan once flies on to Siddhartha. What the swan will do? It will come and sit on the arms. Chief minister, the king. Your Highness, the swan has decided the case. Here, after that, what happened? Chief minister will say for the highness. Highness means the king. What he is going to say for king? That the case has been decided by whom? Even not a king has decided or even chief minister. Who has decided the case? Same, the swan has decided this case. How? He went and sat in the arms of Siddhartha. So, this shows that the swan belonged to Siddhartha. King, it has indeed, and we are accept the decision. The swan belongs to Prince Siddhartha. Now king also will accept this decision of the swan and he will say that swan belongs to Prince Siddhartha. All will stand in the court and ministers and who are present there and will say all together, long live Prince Siddhartha. So from this story we'll come to know the quality of mercy. when we show mercy towards any bird or animal, they will like us and they began to love us, isn't it? So this was the very short lesson. I think you have understood the lesson. Go on studying. Thank you.